Hello everyone, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil, back with another video. In this video I will walk you through how to not just download but also update Opera GX gaming browser. It's a treat for gamers, so if you are a gamer, it's must for you. So let's start this video and know more about the same. Open Chrome and then search for Opera GX download. The first link is for the official webpage to get your hands on Opera GX browser. Here it mentions Opera GX is a special version of Opera browser built specifically to complement gaming. Click on that and now we are on the official website of Opera GX. We can download it from here, but first let's have a quick overview of the features that this browser comes with. GX Control provides full overview over tabs, networks and RAM usage. Network Limiter. You can limit the data speed of your browser. RAM Limiter. Limit RAM and CPU usage. Twitch Integration. Comes with Twitch integration, just log in and enjoy all your Twitch streams. Discord. Get full access to Discord. GX Corner. Here you get all the details from the latest gaming news, trailers and upcoming games as well. GX Design. Control over your browser's colors and background. Color Picker. You can pick your own color, not just some predefined colors. GX Themes. Check out GX Themes to enjoy customizing your browser. Choose Wallpaper. You can choose your own wallpaper as well as some awesome ones provided here by default. Workspaces. You can add workspaces to your browser. Instagram and Messenger. Well, it comes with integration to your different social media accounts such as Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, Discord and much more. You can enable all of them. Video pop-out. Well, that's fascinating. You can browse through and keep having a look at the video you want to watch. Ad blocker and free browser VPN. It comes with ad blocker and VPN settings. Extensions. All the extensions are available here to be used. So yeah, it has bunch of awesome features. What do you say? Should I make a detailed video on the same? Share your views in comments. Let's finally start and download Opera GX. Click on Download Opera GX. And from here you can download 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your operating system. Just click on Download Opera GX and it will start downloading. After download completes, click on Installer and it will start downloading and installation of Opera GX. Once installation completes, Opera GX will open up and here we have GX Corner. So without wasting any time, let me tell you how to update Opera GX browser. Click on top left corner Opera button and from there menu options. Hit on update and recovery. Here you can see it's already checking for any update available. It will automatically check and if there are any updates available, we'll get started with download. Else we'll mention Opera is up to date. This is how you can download and update Opera GX gaming browser. Hope you liked this video and was useful for you. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to WM Originals and hit bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now.